Okay guys, open the settings, then select sound and haptics, then scroll up, select keyboard and feedback. Currently it's on none, that means there is no sound or any haptics is on. Okay, select keyboard feedback. You can see there is an option for sound. Just tap on that button. Now it's green color, that means it is turned on. Okay, that's it. It's very simple settings. You are successfully turned on keyboard typing sound on Apple iPhone. Okay, if you need any kind of iPhone tutorial, please comment below. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.